Hey everyone, welcome back. So, lately I've been spending a lot of time on Pocket FM listening to stories and podcasts, and honestly, I kept running into the same problem running out of coins right when the story gets good. Then I started seeing people online talking about this method that supposedly gives you unlimited coins without having to wait forever or spend money. A bunch of people were saying it works instantly and barely takes any effort, but honestly, I wasn't totally sure if I believed it. So I decided to try it myself and see what actually happens. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I did step by step, and then we'll check together if it actually worked or if it's just another thing people hype up online. All right, so first thing I had to do was find my user ID. I opened up Pocket FM, went into my profile section, and it was right there. Pretty easy to find. Once I found it, I copied it and saved it for later so I wouldn't have to go back looking for it again. Honestly, the whole thing took maybe a few seconds. Nothing complicated at all. Next, I opened up a browser on my phone. I used Chrome, but honestly, any browser should work fine. Then I typed in the website that everyone's been mentioning. The page loaded without any issues, no weird pop-ups or redirects right away. Everything looked pretty clean and simple to navigate. All right, next step. I went onto the site, searched for Pocket FM, and selected it from the list. After that, it asked me which device I'm using. I'm on Android, but there was an iOS option there too, so you just choose whatever you use. Then I pasted in my player ID, checked everything one more time to make sure it was correct, and tapped continue. So far, the whole process was actually really simple. No confusing steps or anything like that. Now I had to choose how many resources I wanted. Since I was testing this properly, I went with one of the bigger amounts just to see if anything would actually happen. After confirming my choice, the site started showing loading animations and progress bars. It definitely looked like something was going on, but of course that doesn't always mean it's real. At the end, there was also a short verification step, which you usually see on sites like this. I already went through that earlier, so let's jump ahead and see what happened. All right, this was the part I was most curious about. After I finished everything on the site, I opened Pocket FM again to check my account. And yeah, the extra coins were already there. No restarting the app, no waiting forever, nothing like that. Everything showed up almost instantly, which honestly surprised me. So now that I've tested it myself, I'll let you decide if it's something you want to try out or not. And if you've ever tested anything like this before, drop a comment below. I'm actually curious to hear how it went for you. If you enjoyed this kind of video and want more simple app tests and reviews, don't forget to like the video and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.